In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase an Acrobat Pro subscription through an online checkout catalog. To get started, open Google Chrome and navigate to the online product checkout catalog. Make sure the page has fully loaded before you continue, so you can clearly see all available subscription options and pricing details. If the catalog includes multiple products, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct page before moving forward. Once you're in the catalog, locate the specific Acrobat Pro subscription package and select it. Be careful to choose the correct tier, especially if there are different versions or bundles listed nearby. The product name, included features, and pricing are usually shown together, so it's a good idea to quickly review those details before clicking. This helps ensure you're purchasing the exact subscription you want. After selecting the package, you'll usually be asked to choose your billing schedule. At this stage, use the toggle to select either the monthly or yearly plan, depending on your preference. If you want more flexibility, the monthly option may be the better fit. If you're looking for a longer term commitment and potentially better overall value, the yearly option may make more sense. Just be sure the selected billing frequency matches what you intend to purchase before proceeding. Next, enter your email identity profile details in the required fields. This is important because your subscription access, account notifications, and license-related communication will typically be tied to this email address. As you type, double-check for spelling errors or missing characters. Even a small typo could prevent you from receiving important confirmation messages or accessing your subscription smoothly later on. Once your profile details are entered, move on to the payment section and input your credit card information. Enter each field carefully, including the card number, expiration date, cardholder name if requested, and any required security code. It's best to review everything once before continuing, since payment errors are often caused by simple typing mistakes. Also, make sure you're entering your information only on the secure checkout page. When everything looks correct, click Submit to complete the checkout and unlock your license subscription. After submitting, give the page a moment to process. Avoid refreshing the browser or clicking multiple times while the transaction is going through. Once the purchase is successful, you should see a confirmation message or be redirected to a confirmation screen. At that point, your Acrobat Pro subscription should be activated and ready for use.